Hello and welcome to Noob Bytes. And in today's episode, we will be unboxing the JioFi2 from Reliance. And this is basically a wireless modem. It's used to put a SIM card inside, and you can have your own modem and you can carry it around the place, and you don't need a phone. So basically, in case if people have a 3G phone and 3G Android device, and they would love to use the Geo services, they can buy a device like this, a personal router, or what you can call it as a personal hotspot. Now, today we are going to unbox this and let's see how to what the box contains and how to configure it, and we'll try it out on two different devices. One is the Motorola Moto G3, which is basically a 3G device, and we also have a Moto X Play, which is a 4G device, and as you can see, it already has the Volti device up there, the Volti symbol. So that means, yeah, it is running a GeoSIM. This is just to test how the network works. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this box. And right now on the box, we will see just basic details like Geo Digital Life with love from Geo, and just basic details like create your own hotspot, connect up to 31 devices. I mean, that's incredible, but I don't think how good will it be when you are having a low bandwidth, as people know that the speeds of Reliance Geo is pretty slow. And 2300 mAh battery, which is very good and supposedly gives up to 8 hours of battery life, but that you'll have to test and see it. 32 GBs micro SD card and HD voice call, voice and video call, wireless sharing. So it's pretty good. Let's see what's that all about. And also we have basic manufacturing details. You can see if I can get the camera to focus. Okay, it's just basically details like the manufacturing. The original cost is 2,899, available in the Reliance Digital Store for 1,999. Also, we have basic IMEI number device details over here and a QR code. Not sure what that's for. And yeah, JioFi2, your personal hotspot. So yeah, let's open up the box and see what it contains. First off, we will see the JioFi device. It's the new JioFi2 device. So right here, it has, what you can see is there's a central button over here, and there's no other features on it. Just a Geo symbol over there. On the side, we have the WPS key. In case if you do not want to constantly enter the password and you want to add a new device, you can just press this button and set up your device to connect to the router or the hotspot. Just a notch over here, probably to remove the back cover. And the side we have a USB, probably the charging cable goes here, or even you can connect micro USB cable to connect to your computer to directly access the internet, probably using tethering. On the back, this is just plain black back cover. So let's put this to the side. And in the box, we have some documents over here. Just the GeoJoin application. Probably this is replaced by the Geo 4G voice application. So keep that to the side. We have JioFi 5 steps basic instruction manual, and we have the warranty card. Keep this aside. Just open this up. Yes. So we just basic know your JioFi device. Open the back cover. How to open the back cover and the SIM to put in a SIM card and a micro SD card. Okay, that's good. And we have the username and password probably in a sticker, and what each button signifies. Okay, so from the fourth step over here, I think it seems that there are some display icons which will appear when you switch on the device, the hotspot. Also, yes, what the WPS is all about, and different other details. So just keep this apart so you can see it. Yeah, so it says here the charging time is around around 3 hours 30 minutes. So that's good. On a USB cable, it's 7 hours, and power adapter 3 hours. Okay. And standby time is 300 hours. Okay, standby in the sense like probably they mean that it's switched on, but it's not under usage. Running time 6 to 7 hours if it's constantly downloading data. And how to reset the device. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, there's some other details in the other side also, like technical specifications. This is pretty interesting. Like for example, the SAR value. Where do we find SAR value? Okay, there's no SAR value details written here. In fact, I consider this as a mobile device, so these are the basic details of the device. We have how to use it, safety, fast support, how to manage it. Okay, there's a URL which you can go down to and configure it manually. Any details like if you want to change the username, password. So it's a default password administrator and all these details and what each indicator denotes. Okay, so yeah. So let's keep this to the side and let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so this is a charger, uh, power adapter, wall power adapter. I don't want to open this right now. Let me just check what is the specifications. It says it runs on 100 to 250 volts power supply, and it has an output of 5.0 volts and 1000 milliamps. Okay, so that's quite good. It's not a fast charger; it's a normal charger. And USB to micro USB cable, fresh one, pretty durable and looks like it's a good quality. And yes, finally, I guess this is the battery. Get it out. It's pretty heavy battery for a small device. And this is a 2300 milliamp battery. Now you can take a look at this details right here. Yeah. So do not use other than specified charger. So yeah, do not discard the battery. Yeah. Okay. So let's. I think that's all there in the box. So keep that aside. Keep this aside. And yeah, where's JioFi? Okay. So now we'll try to open the device. I think there's a notch over here, so we can use that to open it. Yeah. So yes. So we have these details. I can just show you. So there is the micro SD card slot right here, and over here this is the SIM card slot. And looks like from here it is using a micro SIM and not a nano SIM. So yes, let's get a SIM card now. Okay, so we got the SIM card right here, and we put this into the slot over here. Now to see how it works, probably we need to push this down. Yeah, and lift it up. Oh, there's something else in there. I think this is a SIM template. Probably from the notch I can feel here, you can put in a micro nano SIM card into it and use this there. So that's good. That's nice. We'll put the SIM card in there. Oops, I'm a bit clumsy. Okay, so the SIM card goes face down into it like this. And up, and that locks it down. Okay, and we'll not put in a memory card right now because that's not necessary. It's not compulsory also. And yes, we put in the battery and goes in right here. Switch. It's become quite heavy now. And yeah, put the back cover on. And let's power on the device and see what happens. Okay, so these are the indicators. Probably this is the network, this is the up and download Wi-Fi, and this is, I guess, the WPS option. This is a power LED, and this is the battery indicator. So right now there's full charge, which is a good thing. Saves us from a lot of energy. Lots of trouble saved. And yes, there's a blue light out there. Probably, okay, there are three different lights for this. There's a red, blue, and a green light. The red is that there's no signal. the blue means there is like medium signal, and the green means it's extremely good signal. An upload, download, and there's a Wi-Fi network up and running. So while the video was paused, I got to change the SSID of this. So it's not the default SSID and the password. And we try to get this connected to this phone, this Motorola Moto G phone. And now, as you know, that this particular Motorola Moto G is a 3G device and does not support the JioFi SIM, the Jio SIM card in it, because the Jio SIM card runs on the 4G network, and this does not support the 4G network. So let's go and switch it on, and just to show you, unlock it. When you go down, you can see that this particular device has two Airtel SIM cards currently in use over here, and it's connected to the Jio 4G device. I renamed it as Wi-Fi A small. Now to configure, now to the one thing I can understand is that the internet will work. To show you that, I will just go down here and run a speed test. Let's see how well this network runs in my area. Just again. Okay, so it's running at 1.1 Mbps. I think in my previous video, if you remember, it was running at 3.5 Mbps. So okay, 0.89 Mbps is very slow. It's like pathetically slow, but that's okay. We can manage. And the upload speed, okay, 0.4, 0.03, 0.1. Yeah, that's the speed I get in my place. This is like wow speeds. I mean, this is like super fast. Okay, yeah, some network communication issues, but yeah, that's okay. Let's quit out of it. Now, to set up the JioFi device to run to make calls, we need to install the Jio 4G voice application. Now, one second. So, actually, open the gallery. I don't want that. Okay. So right here we have the Jio 4G voice application, and we'll open that. Okay, so configure Jio 4G voice using Jio SIM in the Jio Wi-Fi. Okay, we'll do that. So it's registering the Jio SIM card. It might take some time. This is probably a long process. Oh, okay. Now what I've done is I have actually saved. This is my alternate number. So I've actually got a new message over here. Let me go back. Two new messages rather. This one has what is called as the OTP. Now I'll have to enter the OTP into this device over here. Okay, so I'll just keep that up. And yeah, it's asking me to enter the OTP right here. Oh, it's okay. So I've entered the OTP and wait for it to configure. Oh, there's a proceed button on top. Yeah, so it's registering the SIM card. Process may take some time. So all this time the Jio SIM is up and running, and the network is on the Jio SIM card from the hotspot. So whenever you want to check the status of it, you can just press the button over here and you'll get the status. It's currently running on data, and the Wi-Fi is on, and the network signal is pretty poor. Okay, it says that verification could not be completed. It's given me another OTP now symbol. Let's enter that. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, let's wait for it to complete. Okay, there it is. Okay, let's get started. Experience the new age of communication with Jio4G voice. One step back. Voice and video calls. Apparently, you can make video calls, SMS and chat, fun for all, smart calling. That means you can replace your default dialer with the Jio4G dialer. I think I'll do that. Let's start now. And yeah, there is a lot of, you can get your contact screen with the contacts application to see different people's contacts, and we have the voice and SMS. This is an SMS application basically, right in the middle. So what they'll do is we have a status over here which says that Jio4G voice is online, and this will be online as long as I'm connected to this the hotspot. Okay, so I'll try to make a call out of this. So let's go down here, go to my default caller application. Okay, so I have an option that says to lift the device. Make the if you lift the device to here, the call starts automatically. Probably it used the proximity sensor. If you can see it blinking really violently over here, I'll just cover it with my finger and release it off. No, doesn't work. Oh, hello. Yeah, it's calling. So probably this phone should start ringing now. Yeah, there it goes. It rings. It's in do not disturb, so I'm not able to hear the sound. But yeah, so I can make HD calls out of this, which is a good thing. Now for the question, what if I try to call back? Now the reason here why I'm trying to call back to this number in this slot is because we have two Airtel SIM cards in this, and the SIM card, the Jio SIM card is basically in this device. Now what will happen if I try to call back? Does it really call back to the phone, or does it just reject automatically? So I'll try to call this back the number. It's basically not my number, so I can't recognize it. Yeah. So I'm calling back. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's working. I'm able to call back, call out, and receive calls through this VoLTE device, which is a good thing. So you don't have to invest in a VoLTE smartphone. So it's a win. Yeah, as long as it's connected to the device, you can connect, receive calls over the VoLTE network and over the Reliance Jio network. And looks like the signal has suddenly become good and bad. Okay, so thank you for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment. Thank you so much. Have a great day.